everyone, how are you? I hope all are fine. So today is our max class, right? Yes. So last class what we learned? We learned kilogram, gram. Yes? Yes. So today we are going to see liter and milliliter. Actually, I'm going fast, right? So after we completed this 8th chapter, again we have recall this multiplication, division, then this chapter. Okay, these 3 chapters again we will revise. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, so you have to more practice, concentrate on the worksheet sums. More sums are there. You have to again and again, if you practice means it will be easy for you. Okay, so today we are going to see liters and milliliters. Okay, liters and milliliters. So from that we are going to see the first one, that is exercise 6.6. Okay, yes, milliliter means what? First, liter means what? Milliliter means small quantities or liquid. Okay, small quantities of liquid are measured in millimeter. Okay, if it is a small quantities of liquid, that is called milliliter. Okay, milk, a glass of juice, that are denoted as milliliter. Milliliter is denoted as what? Ml. Okay, milliliter is denoted as what? Ml. Okay, so liter means large quantities of liquid are measured in liters. Okay, that is denoted as L. So milliliter means ml, liter means L. Okay, oil, big oil, like that it is called a liter. Okay, so see, shall we go for the exercise sum? Exercise 6.6. So from that you have to write ml if the capacity of the following is in milliliter. If it is L, if the capacity in liters, you have to mention as L. So this is what? Capacity of milk bottle. So milk bottle means it is a milliliter. Yes, little only there. So that is called milliliter, ml. So you have to write it as ml. Okay. Yes. Then capacity of mug. Yes, mug. Capacity of mug. Mug means inside what is there? Yeah, yes, inside anything is there, you have to measure with what? Liter. Okay, capacity of mug is liter. Okay, because large quantity is there in the mug, so that is called liter. Then capacity of oil jar. Oil jar means, yes, more is there, right? Big. So cooking oil, it's given cooking oil, so that is liter. Okay, so next one, capacity of spoon. Spoon is small quantity. Small quantity means you have to represent as milliliter. So from that you understood, right? Small quantity means you have to write it as milliliter. Large quantities means you have to write it as liter. So milliliter means ml, liter means L. That you know, right? Yes. So you have to write like this. Okay, milliliter, liter, then liter, milliliter. So milliliter means small quantities, liter means large quantities. Okay, you have to write. Then here, capacity of bucket, this is large quantities, right? So you have to write it as liter. Okay, understood? Okay, then shall we go for the converting sum? Yes, converting liters to milliliters. Already you learned, right? Kilogram into gram. That same format only. There 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. But here 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, like that you have to learn. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, understood? So what is that? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. You have to learn that one. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Then see the first example. Convert the following to milliliter. So convert the following to milliliter. First you have to convert. The question is 2 liter. Already 2 liter means what I said? you have to split 2 into 1 liter. So is equal to 2 into, you learned in kilogram and gram now, that the same method here we are using. 2 into this 1 liter is equal to what we learned? 1000 milliliter. So you have to write 1000 milliliter. Then 2 into 1000 is equal to how much? 2000. This 2 you have to write, then 30. So 2000 milliliter. The question is in liter, you converted into milliliter. Okay, same as what? That kilogram and gram. Okay, yes. The next one, 1 liter 300 milliliter. So no need to worry about this 300 milliliter. Only you have to identify 1 liter. So 1 liter means this one you have to write 1 into 1000 milliliter. So 1 into 1000 milliliter, what is that? Actually 1 into, what is that? 1 into 1 liter. That is 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. That's why here 1000 ml is given. Plus 300 ml. So 1 into 1000, 1000. 1000 ml milliliter plus you have to add 300. So 0, 0, 3, 1. So 1300 milliliter. Okay. Same as kilograms and grams. Okay. Yes. Then converting milliliters to liters. Okay, milliliters to liters, the same formula. 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. Here you learn na 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. They same 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. Okay, so here 2000 ml. 2000 ml means first you have to write the number. This number 2 into 1000 ml. So 2 into 1000 ml is equal to what we learned? 1 liter. That you have to write 2 into 1. So 2 ones are 2 liter answer. Okay. So if you know the grams and kilograms, the liter and milliliter is very easy. Okay. So one more example, see here. 1200 milliliter is given. Am I correct? So what you have to do first, this one you have to write 1000 plus this 200 you have to write here. You have to split into 2. So 1000 ml is equal to how much? Already you know, right? 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. That's why you have to write 1 liter. Then this 200. 1 liter plus 200 milliliter. So that's why you are writing 1 liter 200 ml. Understood everyone? Understood? Okay. Then see here. First one 3 liter is given. So here I am writing. You just see here 3 liter. 3 liter means what I said? The number is given, right? So what you have to do? 3 into 1. What? Here see. 3 into 1 liter. Am I correct? Yes. Like that you have to write. 3 into 1 liter. Okay. 3 into 1 liter. So 3 into 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So is equal to 30 milliliter. So first what you have to do, 3 liter means what you have to do? 3 into 1 liter. If it is 4 liter means what you have to do? 4 into 1 liter. If it is 5 liter means what you have to do? 5 into 1 liter. Then like this. Okay. So if it is a single digit number, like this you have to do. If it is a C here, the question is 2 liter 200 milliliter. Like that it given. Not a single number, right? Liters also given, milliliter. Then what you have to do? See here. 2 liter 200 milliliter. So no need to worry about that 200 milliliter. Only you have to write 2 liter. 2 liter means 2 into 1 liter. So equal to 2 into 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So this plus 200 milliliter. So 2 into 1000 means what? 1000, 2000. So 2000 milliliter plus 200 milliliter. So totally you have to add. So what will come? 2200 milliliter. Understood? So if it is a single number means no need to worry. Only you have to write this. If it is a 2-digit number, liter and milliliter is given, like that one means No need to worry about this milliliter. Just you have to convert this liter and add both. Okay, understood? Now it's very easy, right? Yes. So again, C, D, E and all you have to do as a homework in practice work note. Okay. So it is very easy. So you have to do C, D, E as a homework. Okay. For practice work note you have to do. The next one, convert the following into liters. The same model. See here, 2000 milliliters is given, right? 2000 milliliter you have to convert into liter. So 2000 means first what you have to split. Already here we learned, right? 2000 milliliter means 2 into, first you have to write the number 2 into 1000 what milliliter or liter, 1000 milliliter. Okay, milliliter. So from that 2 into 1000 milliliters equal to 1 liter. So the answer is 2 liter. Okay, first 2000 milliliter means you have to split the number 2 into 1000. So 1000 milliliters equal to 1 liter. So 2 into 1, 2 liter. Okay. If it is given liter and milliliter means, see here 1500. Here only 000 like that it's given. But here you see 1500. So 1500 milliliter means what you have to do? First what you have to do? First this 1000 you have to separate. 1000 milliliter, then plus this 500 milliliter. Okay. The next one, what you have to do? 1000 milliliter means 1 liter. This 500 ml you have to write it as 500 ml. So we converted. So here also like 2 method and here also 2 method. Okay, if you know the concept very well, you will identify. Okay, so number is given means only you have to write the number. If it is a milliliter also given, no need to worry about this one. You have to convert this one and add together. Okay, then this one 2000 ml means 2 into this 1000 ml. If it is a number 500, 600 or 750 like that means no need to worry. This 1000 you have to write, then you have to separate it. Okay, 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter, then this one you have to write it as. Okay, so from this if you have any doubt you have to ask me. Okay, you have to copy this in your classwork note. Okay, then here also C, D, F, E, these 3 homework for you. So we completed this chapter. This chapter is little different from other chapter. Then this is a basic thing you are studying. So we are next class we have only 2 chapters are there. So if we completed these 2 chapter, next further week we have to recall multiplication, division, again this chapter, because these 3 chapter is new for you. Yes, in this semester only you are studying these 3 chapter, multiplication, division and this measurement. So again if I completed this 8th chapter, again we can recall all this sum. Okay, so you will practice, right? Then worksheet also there, so you have to do the worksheet. From that if you have any doubt you have to ask. Okay ma. Okay, you have to learn all the topics from this chapter, because this is a basic thing, so you have to learn. You must learn. Okay. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.